Alright, 你好, Sifu Kairesh here. How are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how do you use this word called like this. Like this in Mandarin is called 这样. Apa yang? 这样. Okay, so 这样 is like this. But how do you use it? If you look into page 53, this is what you're going to see. 这样. So you just throw in a ma behind, it becomes like this. Begini ke? In Malay. Okay, so you say 这样 ma. 这样吗? Hello, brother. 这样吗? Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, if you want to tell yes, like this. Yes, it's like this. So you just put it in one xiang in front. So that means you're showing, you do like this, something like this. So you say 像这样. That means you demonstrate to the person. Then you tell, hey, 像这样. So 像, the meaning of 像 is something like do like this. That means you follow like this. It's called 像. It's in dalam bahasa Melayu you can tell rupanya begini, something, do it like this. That means you follow that way. So it's called 像. So actual word for 像 is look like. Okay, look like. Hey, you look very familiar. Then you use the word 像. You look like my friend. So you use the word 像. 像 is look like. So if you say like this, it's called 像这样. 像这样. Alright, 像这样. If you want to tell, hey, not like this, not like this. So you say 不是这样. 不是这样. Alright, so this is the formal way of using Mandarin. Later in a while I'm going to show you the informal way, how we use. Okay, so 不是这样, or you want to tell 不是这样 also can. Okay, 不是这样 is not like this. Tone is very important. 不是这样. So like this, 像这样. Not like this, 不是这样. 不是 is no, not. 不是这样. If you want to put in a verb behind, okay, you want to say do. What is do in Mandarin? 做, correct? 做. Okay, so you just put the 这样, the 做 put behind. That means the verb goes after 这样. So you want to say do like this. Hello, brother, do like this. So how do you say? 这样做. 这样做. Hello, brother, 这样做. 你这样做. Do like this. Begini buat. Buat macam ni. Buat macam ni. Okay, 这样做. Alright, got it? So now, let's say if you want to tell right. Right is called 写. So you want to tell right like this. 这样写. 这样写. You want to tell read. What is read in Mandarin? 读. Read like this. 这样读. You see? This is how you use 这样. But of course, there's a Malaysian way of telling. Sometimes they use 这样. Sometimes they use this. Okay? It is called 这样子. I use this all the time. 这样子. 这样子 is like this. 这样子. So you want to tell like this? 这样子. Is it like this? 这样子吗? That's how you use it, understand? No, not like this. 不是这样子. This is Malaysian Mandarin. That's what they use. 这样子. Alright, so now you learn two ways. 这样 is the correct way, formal way. The Malaysian way is 这样子. So you decide which one you want to use. Alright, so did you all learn something very, very interesting today or not? So now you all have learned it. Time to apply it. Did you all enjoy my video or not? This is what I want you all to do. Comment, let me know what are the two things that you learned. Number two, subscribe to my channel, because every day I'm releasing out videos teaching you all how to speak Mandarin in a fun and easy way. Of course, little bit of humor. All right, 谢谢你，再见。